Today we are going to explore the basic topics in world. That was statistics. Why is statistics really important in all the field? We have artificial intelligence, data science, data analytics, and visualizations. Any number of technologies are on the corner. Why statistics plays an important role, and how do we incorporate these statistics into our visualizations, even in data analytics? Let me explain one by one. We have two types of statistical procedures out there. One is qualitative and second one is quantitative. With the help of these two, we can make a good visualizations, good statistical analysis. So, following that, we can see this. Why studying the field of statistics is crucial in modern society. Not only like modern societies, all the companies are using these statistics, and all the technologies need this statistical representations. Example, you can go with text data. We have n number of text data, and n number of data are generated, right? Every seconds we have 1 million of data are generated. How do we describe? How do we conclude this? That means we start with the statistics. Go to customer satisfaction level. You take the live streaming platforms. You can take any educational platform. We are going to start with the statistics. They do some calculations. What is the calculation? That means the average perspective level of mathematics. Every technologies need that average level and startup level, that end level. With help of these three, we can make a good, mathematical illusions and go and take decisions with help of these statistics. So, following this is the basic type of data collection statistics. That means data collection is really important. Every field, we start with the data. Go to AI, we need a proper data. Go to natural language processing, we need a proper data. Without proper data, we cannot make a good visualizations. Even we cannot satisfy customers. So what are the three things? This is very basic. Census data collection, sample data collection, experimental data collection, and observable data collection. We are utilizing these four things in our real life. Let me explain it by one. Go to census data collection. It's deal with overall perspective level of Indian data compared to the previous three things. This is a little bit difficult. Why? Because we need 100% fully utilized data required for visualizations given in a data analytics. So that is the reason this census data collection takes 10 years once. This is what the sample representation of census data collections. We do these things a couple of years once. It's very simple. Go to that second data collection. This is what sample. Why we need this sample data collection? You go that the previous one, census data collection is really difficult. I already mentioned that we need that whole block of data. So we cannot easily collect that block of data. That is the reason the sample data collection. The very simple example, the poll stress. We can easily make a decisions in a particular region. These are all the poll stress they might have a chance to win. So this is what all the different research polls that are conducted before election. We cannot make sure that in Tamil Nadu South, ADM we have a chance to win, in North DMK might have a chance to win. But we are going to take some control level with help of this sample data collection in the South region. Now, out of 100%, we have 80% chance to win of DMKs. If we go to South or in either region, we can take easy decisions with help of collected samples. This is the small representation of bar chart 2016, 2019 and 2021 might have a chance, and we are going to conclude that two bars. One is representation of DMKs, chapter 1 is representation of alien case. This is a simple representation with the help of those collected samples. Go to the third one. This is what we are actually utilizing this experimental data collections in everyday life. What is this mean? You go with the medical department, we have chemical experiments. We are going to work on. So this is what I am going to make some conclude thing with help of this experiments. You go to output even like programming languages. I wanted to represent some outputs, or I wanted to make some experiments. I just want to get some outputs. These are all like experiments. We are going to take some test sample. With help of those, we can conclude the result. This is very easy compared to those three things. This is the very example of data collecting, rolling and dice. We have a chance, right? If I am going to take a B, I am getting 90%. You go and take a B, we get the 95%. You go and take a C. So we have any number of options are here to conclude the entire result. So this is what that rolling and dice is a very simple example. We have chances. We have any number of chances around the carbon. This is what experimental data collection. The last one is observational data collections. Most of the top IT companies, food and beverage companies, educational companies, they are using this observational data collection and make their result go better, and creating a wow factor with help of this observational data collection, because without observation we cannot satisfy customer. Example, hotel management system. This is the best thing for observational data collection. If you are going to start up a business, even like a small business, go out, observe a lot. This is what that. Go out and eat, go and sit in the restaurant, observe all the people, start with the peoples, and how the cashiers will behave, how the supplies communicate with the people, the outdoor designs, indoor designs, how many adults are coming into hotel, go to take observe children and old age peoples. So that observation will provide a better decisions. With the help of observations, we can create a good startup. This is what that. If you are having any suggestions, please let us know. And thanks for watching. We will continue a broader way of statistics and broader way of data analytics in the next session. Thank you.